Okay, so we want the cylindrical equation for a paraboloid with rectangular equation equal to that. Okay. So keep in mind where our method, let me just recopy here. So 4x squared plus 4y squared plus z equals 6. So I want the cylindrical equation, and keep in mind the cylindrical equation, what you get when you plug in x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, you know, and z equals z. But I mean that's already so. So really, I could. I mean, if I were to just do this sort of brute force, I would take this x and rewrite that as r cosine theta, and take this y and rewrite that as r sine theta, and off you go. Right? That'd be the sort of the direct way to do it. Now let me show you that there is a bit of a time saver here, and that is I can rewrite this equation a little bit as 4x squared plus y squared plus z equals 6, and then take advantage of the fact that I know that x squared plus y squared is r squared, and that gives us easier 4r squared plus z equals 6. There you go. Does that make sense? Is everybody happy with this one? Were you the one that asked about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Are you happy?
Yeah, but then you have to find like a theta.
No, that's the thing. So, sometimes, the equation for something, you don't have to have all of the variables show up. So, for example, let's think, here's let me give you the rectangular equation for a certain plane. Z equals 5, right? Well, that's a plane. That's the rectangular equation, but there's no x's or y's in it, and that's fine, right? So, likewise here, there's no thetas, but okay. So, yeah, whenever a certain variable doesn't appear, there's a corresponding geometric interpretation you can make. So from the fact that you look at the plane z equals 5, from the fact that there's no x's in that equation, that means you can move as much as you want in the x direction and nothing matters. So said differently, it's parallel to the x-axis. Right? From the fact that there's no thetas in here, that just means you can change theta all you want and nothing happens. In this case, it means that this thing is rotationally symmetric around the z-axis. So no need for thetas. Yeah. Okay, let me stop the recording. Is everybody good on this question?